Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install OpenTable app on your phone. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the Apple Store. Once you click on it, then it will open the Apple Store apps for you. Then you tap on the search icon at the right down corner of the screen. Then use the search bar at the top. Then input the key search, which is OpenTable. OpenTable. All right. Yeah. This is it. OpenTable. Click on it. And here's the app here at the top. Click on it. OpenTable restaurant booking. Then tap on get. Then this will request for your Face ID or your Touch ID, even your iCloud. So once you have it set up in your Apple Store, then tap on install, and this will confirm your download. Then once the download is complete, then it will be installed on your phone. And that is how to download and install apps on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.